Hello again. Today we bring to you Harley Davidson. We just came across it yesterday, but we couldn't bring you any video of it. Of course, we all know how Harley Davidson makes motorcycles, and it is not exactly a very exciting stock. Just as our title portends, it has a 52-week range of $31 to $31.36 to 49.05, and it's currently trading at it closed at 36.31, so it's close to the lower end of its 50-week to 52-week range. Put call ratio is 1 for 1 day and 1.2 for 30 days, indicating that in the last 30 days, traders have been more keen on the put contracts. In other words, trying to capitalize on its underperformance, or what looks like it. It has a market capitalization of 6 billion. It's a mid-cap stock and a short interest of 9.6%. That is so far the most interesting thing there, the 9.6% short interest. 9.6% short interest. So let's quickly dive into the charts and see. So this is where it is. This is way close. That is 631. Apparently my lens is not very good, not very clear. This is way close. That is 631. And it is currently below its all the averages, the 20 simple moving, 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day, even though it is gradually it has converged with the 20-day simple moving average. That's the red one here. Yes, it has converged with it, but there's and also closing on the 50-day, which is that one right up there, and then that's the 200-day. So we can see the decline that took place. When did it happen? It started from the 3rd of December 2018, and finished off on the 24th of that month, which is where it currently has its most significant support, which is at $31.79. So it broke off from that decline channel and tried to go up. It's struggling. Yes, it's met resistance at 36.90. So it is gradually trying to come back, but it's not exactly very. It doesn't have so much to say, and as expected, we have that short ratio. So let's quickly have a look at its link we also saw. It's called Chatmeal stock screening and analysis, and this is for Harley Davidson. So what are they saying here? Let's say just gradually saying some of the things we said here. And it says Davidson has an average volume of 2,483,100, and it says this is a good sign, as it is always nice to have a liquid stock. Volume is considerably higher in the last couple of days. Short-term trend is neutral, while long-term trend is still negative. We need to see a little more continued positive action to make this really interesting. 85% of all the stocks performed better in the last year, Harley Davidson, or is currently HOG is currently trading in the lower part of its 52-week range. You've mentioned that, which is not a good signal. Agreed, if S&P 500 is also not doing fantastic, but it's still sitting in the middle of a 52-week range. Okay. So this is a weekly analysis. For the past 1 week, I guess. This is well, we didn't know what that is talking about over there, so we better not talk about it. It says when analyzing support, we notice one important area, a support zone ranging from 35 to 35.24 to 35.38. This zone is formed by a combination of multiple trend lines in the daily frame. Three important resistance areas can be observed. A resistance zone ranging from 36.72 to 37.44. This zone is formed by a combination of multiple trend lines and important movement, ranging from 39.23 to the resistance zone ranging from 9 to this zone is formed of the combination of resistance at 41.23 from a trend line in the day time frame. Okay, to cut a long story short, I think Halliburton has to put something out from somewhere, to excite us, and you never know where it's going to come from. And he also has this 9.6% short ratio. For us, this is enough to keep on watching Harley Davidson, because of the simple fact that it is underperforming, and people know there's money in it, and they'll keep on coming, and they'll be tempted to put in money. They will put in money. So Harley Davidson will continue to resist, and it will continue to hit the supports, and also continue to test that nine and some fraction resistance, or even further. But yes, I think it's worth watching. I think it's also worth putting your money in at the moment. Thanks for watching.